Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be walking you through the process on how to install a braided wig. First, make sure your natural is braided or flattened to create a smooth base for the wig. Apply a wig cap that matches your skin tone to further smooth your hair. I don't have a wig cap that matches my skin tone, so I had to use powder foundation to tone it down to my skin color. You have to glue your wig cap so that when you want to install your braided wig, it will not be shifting. I tint the lace with foundation, and you can use a tint spray as well. Position the braided wig on your head. Align the front edge of the wig with your natural hairline. Once the wig is securely positioned, apply a thin layer of adhesive or wig glue along with your natural hairline. You can apply the wig glue over and over again, like 2 to 4 rounds. After applying the wig glue, use your tape comb to spread it and blow dry it. After you blow dry it and you see that the glue is not visible, then you apply the second round. So you continue that process over and over again, depending on how you want the glue to hold your wig. Press the lace of the braided wig with the wig glue, starting from the center or side and working your way outward. Use the wig band to tie the lace down for a few minutes, for 30 minutes or 1 hour. I remove the band after a few minutes. Use a pair of scissors to trim the lace along the front edge of the wig, leaving a tiny strip of lace to blend with your skin. This is optional though. I use holding spray, yes, on the edges of the lace wig, and I blow dry it and I tie it down with wig band for over an hour. Once the lace is securely bonded, you can style the braided wig as you desired. Use edge control gel to style your edges as you desired. And there you have it. Braided wig is now installed and ready to slay. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel for more wig related content. Please like and share my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you want me to talk about in my next video. See you. Bye.